Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create a 2 by 2 inches photo or image in Canva. So let us get started. Head over to your homepage on Canva and start by clicking on Create Plus in the top left corner to create a completely new design. Next, head over to Custom Size here on the left panel and choose your preferred measurement units. On default it should be on px, so switch to inch, and after that select your width and height with 2 by 2 inches, just like that, and confirm by clicking on Create New Design here. That is going to redirect you to the editing canvas here on Canva. So in the next step, guys, simply upload your photo image you would like to convert into a 2 by 2 photo. To do that, head over to Uploads on the left panel, click on Upload Files here, locate your photo on your device, upload it. Let me go with that one really quickly. And once the upload has been finished, left click into it to add it to your canvas. And then in the last step, guys, simply adjust your photos or images size by clicking on one of its edges and by making it fit into your 2 by 2 canvas, just like that. Perfect. And that's basically it, guys. Confirm your download by clicking on Share in the top right corner. Click into download here, select your output file format like JPEG or PNG, and download your 2 by 2 photo onto your device by clicking on download there. And that's it. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.